Imagine turning your side hustle into a six-figure empire with just a few clicks. Now, what if I told you that missing out on these advanced Fiverr affiliate strategies could be the only thing standing between you and that reality? Stick around to unlock the secrets. Imagine a world where your affiliate marketing efforts on Fiverr aren't just making you money while you sleep, but they're also scaling up your business without the constant need for your direct involvement. That's the power of automation, a game changer in the world of affiliate marketing. Now consider the immense network of Fiverr's marketplace. It's vast, with thousands of services offered across numerous categories. Manually keeping track of which services to promote, analyzing which ones are gaining traction, and customizing your affiliate strategies could easily become a full-time job. But with automation, you dramatically streamline this process. Tools and software can track your affiliate performance, spotlight trends, and even suggest which services you should be focusing your efforts on. But how does this actually work? It's not magic, it's smart strategy. Using automation tools, you can set up email campaigns that trigger based on specific actions a potential buyer takes. Say someone clicks on your affiliate link but doesn't make a purchase. An automated email can follow up, offering additional information or a small discount, nudging them closer to a purchase. Beyond just emails, automation can optimize your ads, posts, and content to be published at the times when they're most likely to be seen by your target audience. This kind of efficiency means your affiliate marketing efforts are not just running in the background, they're working smarter, not harder. The critical takeaway here is not the automation itself, but the scalability and efficiency it brings to your Fiverr affiliate marketing. Instead of being bogged down by the day-to-day tasks, you're free to strategize, analyze, and grow your empire. Now, think about your current affiliate marketing strategies. Are they efficient, or do you find yourself overwhelmed by the details? Have you contemplated utilizing automation to take your Fiverr affiliate efforts to the next level? Imagine unlocking the full potential of your affiliate marketing efforts with just a few clicks. That's the power of automation. In a world where time is money, leveraging tools that save hours and amplify results is not just smart, it's essential. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on the game changers in the automation world, specifically geared towards revolutionizing your affiliate marketing strategy. First up, automating social media posts. Platforms like Buffer and Hootsuite are your new best friends. With these tools at your disposal, scheduling posts across various channels becomes a breeze. Imagine planning your entire week's content in one sitting, then sitting back as your posts roll out at the optimal times, even as you sleep. The key here, consistency. These tools ensure your audience stays engaged without you being glued to your computer screen. Next on the list, email marketing campaigns. MailChimp and ConvertKit are names you'll want to remember. These platforms empower you to create email sequences that automatically respond to your subscribers' actions. Did someone sign up through your affiliate link? Boom, they get a welcome email. Or did they browse a product but didn't buy? Send them a tailored message with more info or a tempting offer. This level of personalization can dramatically increase conversion rates, making your affiliate efforts far more effective. Lastly, tracking performance metrics is crucial. Understanding what's working and what's not is key to refining your strategy. Tools like Google Analytics and Jet offer precise insights into your affiliate link's performance. Which products are hot? Where are your clicks coming from? These tools not only answer these questions, but also guide your future strategies, ensuring your efforts are laser-focused on what brings the best returns. Now, think about all the time you'd save and the efficiency boost you'd gain by integrating these tools into your strategy. Less time micromanaging every detail means more time for strategic thinking and scaling your efforts. But here's the question: what's holding you back from tapping into the power of automation today? Picture effortlessly increasing your income with affiliate marketing, minus the hassle of constant link monitoring. Enter automated affiliate link management systems. These tools seamlessly insert and update affiliate links across platforms, ensuring they're always current. Whether a product relocates or a better affiliate program emerges, these systems adjust your links automatically. It's akin to having a personal assistant optimizing your affiliate endeavors for peak revenue, always. But how does it work? Essentially, these systems scan your content to identify potential affiliate links. Once identified, they insert or update these links in real time based on the most current deals and offers. This ensures that your audience always has access to the latest products and promotions, increasing the likelihood of clicks and purchases. Plus, it significantly reduces the manual effort of tracking each affiliate program's updates and terms. Now think of the possibilities. Your blog, social media posts, or email newsletters always have the best, most profitable affiliate links all handled in the background. This not only maximizes your earning potential, but also builds trust with your audience as you provide them with the latest and greatest offerings. What's even more exciting is the level of detail and customization these systems offer. You can set preferences, prioritize certain products or programs, and even customize how links appear across your content. It's about making affiliate marketing work for you, not the other way around. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you used automated affiliate link management systems before, or are you still updating your links manually? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Imagine managing a business solo, handling content creation, SEO, and data analysis all at once. It's like playing every instrument in an orchestra simultaneously. But what if you could delegate some tasks to experts, letting you conduct the ensemble and produce beautiful music? Outsourcing content creation, SEO, and data analysis isn't just about assigning tasks. It's about empowering your business to concentrate on strategy and expansion. When you outsource content creation, you're tapping into a world of creativity and expertise that can elevate your brand's voice and connect deeply with your audience. This means your blog posts, videos, or social media content aren't just being churned out. They're crafted by professionals who know how to tell your story in a way that resonates and engages. Plus, it frees up your time to strategize on how to expand your reach and impact. Outsourcing SEO is like having a navigator on the high seas of the internet. SEO experts not only keep up with the constantly changing search engine algorithms, but also implement strategies that ensure your content gets seen by the right people at the right time. It's an investment in making sure your online presence isn't just a drop in the ocean. And when it comes to data analysis, outsourcing this task means you don't have to spend hours trying to make sense of numbers and trends. Instead, you have experts who can translate this data into actionable insights, helping you make informed decisions quickly and efficiently. It's like having a crystal ball that guides your next moves in the market. By outsourcing these tasks, you're not losing control, you're gaining allies. It allows you to focus on the big picture strategy and growth, while experts handle the nitty-gritty details that fuel your expansion. This isn't just about saving time, it's about investing in your business's future. Now, think about your own business or the work that you do. Which tasks could you outsource to give yourself more room to focus on growth? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's discuss how we can all work smarter, not harder. Imagine unlocking the full potential of your affiliate marketing business with just a few clicks. That's the power of integrating freelancers into your strategy, especially from a platform as rich and varied as Fiverr. Now, why Fiverr, you might ask? It's simple. Fiverr hosts a plethora of skilled professionals ready to supercharge every aspect of your affiliate marketing, from content creation to SEO and even data analysis. Think of Fiverr as your one-stop shop for talent. Need engaging blog posts or videos that convert viewers into customers? There's a freelancer for that. How about optimizing your content to rank higher on Google? Yep, freelancers on Fiverr specialize in just that. And the best part? You get to support the freelancer ecosystem, keeping it vibrant and thriving, which in turn fuels innovation and growth in your business. But here's where it gets interesting. Imagine not having to worry about the intricacies of search engine algorithms or the best practices for social media marketing. Fiverr freelancers bring that expertise directly to your doorstep. They're like the secret sauce to making your affiliate links stand out in a sea of competition, making sure your efforts not only reach but resonate with your target audience. And think about this for a moment. When you invest in high-quality freelancing talent, you're essentially investing in your business's future. It's about carving out the path for your brand to not just survive, but thrive in the competitive world of affiliate marketing. Now, I'm curious, what's that one task in your affiliate marketing business that you would consider outsourcing to a freelancer on Fiverr to skyrocket your growth? Share your thoughts. I'm eager to hear which part of your business you're ready to take to the next level.